PIL in India of late has been used not only to represent the unrepresented and weak, but also to advance the interest of others. अब इसमें कैच क्या है? Misuse of PIL. तो पहले उसको स्टेटमेंट को आप एक्सपेंड कर दो कि anybody has a locus standi, whether representing others, represent the unrepresented and weak. This should be the purpose. But in this process, some unscrupulous elements to settle their personal scores, or even to the extent of blackmailing the authorities, go for frivolous and false PILs because of the opportunity available to them. And this has been held. Now the courts, high courts as well as the Supreme Court has been now putting penalties on, penalizing them. Give 2 or 3 cases जो हमने वहाँ मार्क किए थे, कोविड वाले थे, रिसेंट हैं 2. मुझे लग रहा है इस साल इस पे क्वेश्चन आएगा, कोविड से रिलेटेड है.